Hello, what's up, guys? Let's start looking at some things. First of all, I want to show you some programs coming up for TV2. Well, at 12 o'clock, it's actually past that, but there was a Strömsö on the show. The Christmas shirts are funny, but the sewing person, Hanna, wants to dress up with a more sustainable way and is going to sew a Christmas vest. A vest, like the shirt, jacket without the sleeves, from old Christmas clothes. Oscar is going to make a luxurious granola, and Camilla is folding paper angels. At 2:15, the Danish farmer's Christmas. The Christmas preparations on the farm are in good speed. Frank is preparing the traditional liver pasteja, and the workshop, the wine box will transform into a toolbox for Alma. Wow. Johan is helping to dry the apples, and Alma will feed the birds. And 3 o'clock, Siskon Peti, Jaana's Christmas burnout. This is funny stuff. What does it feel like to spend Christmas at work? Another episode of Siskon Peti Christmas is human's best time. Occasionally, every one of us wishes that Christmas would be forever. Then itsevaltiat, the rulers. Season 5, episode 3, alcohol abuse as a national source. Okay. Then we can go see maybe some foreign news. In USA, no agreement on the funding. United States Senate maybe has ruled out with clear numbers the Republican funding thing, which was supposed to stop United States government sulku. Okay. Let's go read some other things maybe. Sports. Wow, Saipa. Okay. That's not good. Saipa. No, where did it go? Saipa is testing Tappara's game mood. And in Mestis tonight, Jokp and Hermes into the ice ring. F League. The Indians is facing Oilers. HBA Märskys women are facing EBT. PVHL. Minnesota defeated Ottawa. Okay. 5-2. Goals were made by Pannek. 2 goals. Jumwinkle, Thompson, and Jumwinkle also a 2-goal game night. That's nice. from Ottawa, Meixner and Vanisova. This is nice. Are there only 6 teams in this league? What is this PVHL? Somebody write in the comments what is PVHL. Okay, that's it. Next page. Next. Mad Max. Futsal. Aka is leading the league, but FC Kemi is pretty close with 29 points, only 3-point difference. Do they give 3 points for a win maybe? 10 wins. 1. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it is. Okay, thank you.